Myself, Dr. Deepika Rawat. I'm consultant obstetrician, gynecologist, and laparoscopic surgeon at Meditech Hospital. So today I wanted to talk about the ANC period in a pregnant female rather. So there's a myth. People say that it's not really important to visit your doctor once you become pregnant. You can take 3-4 months time period, फिर आराम से जाना. And I just wanted to tell that it is very important to visit your doctor when you start planning your pregnancy, not even when you become pregnant. Once you start planning your pregnancy, visit your gynecologist, because apparently at today's era there's so many factors which leads to not letting a female become pregnant, whether it is PCOD or it's thyroid or it's diabetes, some genetic factors in your family. So getting a preconceptional counseling done by your gynac is very, very important, so that she can give you some list of investigation, maybe get your ultrasound done in order to find it out whether your uterus, your ovaries are healthy, some investigation to find it out whether you do not have thyroid, which can lead to infertility. And also we can ask our husbands also to get some tests done. So getting a pre-counseling checkup done, and also she'll start you on folic acid, which is so important for the development of your baby's nervous system in the future. So visiting your gynac while you plan for your pregnancy is very important. And also once you get a report, the 2 lines on your urine pregnancy test stating that you are pregnant, please visit your doctor. Don't wait for another 1 month to go to her or him. So initially what a gynecologist do is they will ask you to get an ultrasound done only to find out the position of your pregnancy. That is so important. We see so many cases where the pregnancy is lodged either in your fallopian tubes, or it is in the lower segment of your uterus, or at some other place. This is called as ectopic pregnancy. And because we neglect going to the doctor at first, we find it out very later when there is already some big thing has happened in our body. Like if our pregnancy gets enlarged in your fallopian tube and if it breaks because your baby is growing, you'll start having bleeding, and that can lead to a massive blood loss from your body. And once you reach a doctor, it could be very late. So visiting your doctor at your initial period just to find it out whether your baby is lodged at the right place is so important. Also, she'll get some investigations done and give you some pregnancy support via medicine and folic acid, so that your first 3 months of your pregnancy you'll sail through. So this our grandmothers and our elderly female in our family telling ki not to visit a doctor in your first 3 months is kind of a myth actually. So you should visit your doctor, get your scans done at proper interval at around 11 to 13 weeks, getting your NT scan done along with your double marker in order to find it out whether the baby is not having any serious anomalies is very, very important. And after that, getting your 5th month scan done, which actually anomaly scan. It's a targeted fetal anomaly scan which scans everything of your baby from head to toe to find it out whether the baby is having proper organ development, having no congenital anomalies, and proper visiting your doctor every 15 days in your early pregnancy and weekly by your 3rd trimester is so important for the well-being of the mother as well as for the baby. Pregnancy-induced hypertension, there is diabetes during pregnancy, and thyroid during pregnancy can never be taken lightly. For us gynecologists, it's a nightmare dealing with pregnant patients having hypertension or diabetes. So regular visit will help you tackle all these problems. Regular visit will get your BP checked properly and your fetal heart sounds checked properly. So it is very, very important to emphasize visiting your doctor regularly in your ANC period. Not only your ANC, even after your delivery, whether it was normal or whether it was cesarean or some instrumental delivery, visiting your gynecologist every 15 months for the next 12 weeks is also mandatory, so that we can see whether the mother is getting proper nutrition, as is she able to provide proper nutrition to her kid. So visiting your doctor before your pregnancy, during your pregnancy, and sometime after your pregnancy should be kept in the mind of every female. Do not listen to whatever your forefathers says, but do have a regular checkup with your gynecologist during your pregnancy period. Thank you.